Elantra N. The acceleration starts as soon as your foot touches the pedal. The air intake was restructured for a better flow of air into the engine, increasing the power while reducing the weight. The N power shift minimizes torque reduction when upshifting, and the acceleration continues. The class-leading braking performance is engineered with a 360mm brake rotors and high-friction brake pads. And even the dust cover was redesigned for maximum cooling. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires maximize the carving feel in every phase of cornering. The second-generation electronic controlled suspension offers a wide range of firmness settings. Firm lateral support connects the driver to the road. And more balanced damping offers the best ever comfortable ride for your family. The newly applied torque feedback RNDPS provides consistent and accurate steering. ELSD minimizes the understeer and guarantees the N's unique carving feel. Our mission is to transfer motorsports knowledge to production models. Originally developed for a WRC rally car, IDA's innovative one-piece structure withstands extreme lateral G-force and provides a responsive steering, all while reducing the weight. The chassis has been strengthened by reinforcing the powertrain mount, 4-point strut ring, V-stay, center tunnel stay, rear tunnel brace, and rear stiff bar. The N-Track Sense Shift will automatically recognize when you're at the track and will select the optimal gear and execute the perfect shift. The revolutionary Hyundai N application saves and analyzes your speed, lap time, G-force, throttle, and brake pressure. You can even see how you stack up against other drivers. Elantra N stands lowest height in class, providing a low center of gravity. And that, along with a lowered seating position, connects you with the road in one of the most aerodynamic performances in its class. The 3-bridge spoiler increases the rear downforce. Take the wheel in the sport bucket seat or relax in the comfortable back seat. With the Elantra N, you get the best of both worlds, performance and practicality. The groundbreaking N sound equalizer allows you to customize the engine sound, because there's nothing like the sound of a little crackle that ignites your love of driving. This is the new N. For those who still remember that spark. Who come alive in every corner. And smile at the double curve sign. Fascination has arrived. We are bringing that pure grin. This is Elantra N.